Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an automatic parking lock. So first of all, what we want is an automatic parking lock body. First of all, we need a pair of 3-pin push button switch. Then we have to attach two plastic. When the motor will spin, this two plastic should touch the push button switch. Now we need two relays of 12 volt. We have to attach the line from the motor to relay, then from switch to two relays. And the black wire is for the power of the relay. This is the remote for this lock. This was the board of this car parking lock, which is totally destroyed, and this pair of this board is not available in any of the market. So guys, we'll fix this back. And guys, this is a very simple technique, and if any of the board got destroyed, you can do like this. So we got an old RC board. The lines from the relay should be connected to the RC board. Guys, you can see this is working successfully. Now we can place the lock. So guys, if you like the video, please share, subscribe and support the channel.